Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because it's way long overdue. I filmed an empty house tour like 2 years ago when I moved in, and I haven't shown you guys any of the updates of what's happened to the house. So this is an in progress. This is not a house tour final. I thought I would just give you guys the updates to where the house is now and kind of like the midway point, and then I can share each room as it makes its progress when I finally do my final tour, but starting somewhere. So the living room is so cute. Oh, also today we're doing something really exciting. We are decorating for the holidays. So I've got my friend Greta here. She just got here. Let's see what she's doing. Actually, I'll show you. Woo! So Greta just showed up with all this beautiful supplies. And she's over here. Oh my gosh, it smells like Twizzlers. That spray paint smells really good. And she's spray painting baby's breath. Ooh, I don't even know exactly what we're doing, but she has a vision. And I
don't really know what we're doing.
Her handle is at Glasswing Floral, and she's an amazing florist here in LA. So I will link that for you guys. And now I'll show you guys the house. So I just got this frame TV. I just put it up the other night, and I got, like, the bezel just came, and then I just figured out the art. So my friend Cynthia at Hot Pink Pineapples on Instagram is amazing, and she put up a tutorial about how to get your own art on here. You can actually buy incredible art from artists on Etsy or use your own photos. So if you guys want a tutorial about that, let me know. But the frame TV has changed my living room. I used to have this ugly black box sitting here, and I felt like it ruined the whole room. So I'm pretty excited about this. Very excited about my Christmas tree. I put it up the other night and I shared it on my socials. I'll show you guys here. It was so easy to put together. I got it by Kings of Christmas. Let's put the light on so you can see the full effect. Oh no, where's the thing? Woo, it's so pretty. So I used to have a lot more plants in this corner that I've kind of all shoved over here because we're decorating for Christmas today. So we'll see where those end up. But I've also got this guy over here. I got this girl here. She's a ruby red ficus and she's beautiful. And then of course Patricia from last year, if you remember. So the main updates to this room obviously got completely, you know, different sofas. I got a second sofa. I got this Moroccan rug, which I'm obsessed with. I got this vintage Moroccan coffee table. And then I put a framed nude of myself on the freaking fireplace just to declare my own womanhood and my own everything and just reclaim myself, and it feels so good. Got this vintage vase from this really cute vintage store. So I just added these curtains. They're Umbra. I can link everything below with these IKEA curtains. I generally tie these up how these are tied up, but right now I just have them closed from last night. I love that this fireplace works. So here's my fireplace. I just got that basket of firewood at Target, and I got these really beautiful lights. So this is one thing that I switched out from the original. I feel like one of the best things you can do to upgrade your house is to just switch out the fixtures. So that made a huge difference, that I switched out the light fixtures. I switched out this fixture. It looked like a boob before. And I switched out these fixtures as well, which made a huge difference, but we'll come back to this later. I got this beautiful vintage, like, what is this called? Like a console table from one of my favorite vintage dealers here in LA. I think the frame looks great. I tried to drop this wire. So our next project is to get rid of that wire, and I think this would be perfect. And yeah, this is the living room. What do you guys think? Have this tapestry hanging here. Got this vintage pedestal plant stand, which I absolutely love too. And I have to say, this is my favorite view of the house going into this room. I have this is another fixture I switched out that was just not cute. This is from Anthropologie, I love it. This table I got from a vintage dealer, but it's not vintage, but they make their own tables as well. And then I got these vintage 1980s postmodern chairs that some people think look like Gumby, but I love. Currently working on my plant collection. So I've been collecting all these stands and pots, and we're yet to be determined where the home is gonna be for all of them, but we'll figure it out. I am in love with this little nook. So this house was built in 1922, and this is an original built-in with original wood. I did switch out the hardware of the handles, which really I think made a difference, but the owners are not wanting me to repaint this because it's original, so I'm trying to figure out how to restore it. Added this faux caning wallpaper. I'll link that below too. It's just a peel and stick, so great for rentals. I think I'll make a video about how to upgrade your rental in a way that won't damage it at all. And then, like I said, these lightings, and then I just added this mirror. I've been collecting these brass candlesticks for a while, so those are here, and I just think everything looks so nice. Whenever I drive by pampas grass in the wild, if it's like public property, I will cut it. Sorry, I do. So yeah, I've been kind of collecting this to go around the house. I think it looks really nice. And yeah, this is this room. So I think everything looks really nice. It's a bit of a mess because this is an actual work day and we like shoved everything away. So I'm getting rid of these old pictures and this is all going. This is stuff that I had on Marketplace. So that's going, but I also got these vintage shelves to flank like either side of this beautiful archway because I felt like it mimicked the architecture, which I loved. And I've been collecting some really beautiful glassware. These also light up, which is so cool. But I've been collecting vintage glassware and working on my little bar cart situation. So this is in progress as well, and I'll show you guys the finish when I'm done. Nothing much to report in the kitchen. This is also a work in progress. My plan for the kitchen is, I've got a really good plan. So I wanna do a like mini kitchen makeover that's totally rental friendly, and I wanna work with the red counters. I was trying to think if I could cover them with contact paper or something because they are just such a statement, but I have a really cool idea on how to make them work and how to make the kitchen look really more modern and go with the rest of the house. So that will be coming soon, a budget renter friendly kitchen makeover. Dun 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 dun. Everyone has that room that's like their secret corner. This is mine. So this used to be Pure Storage, and I recently got this beautiful vintage chaise from one of my favorite dealers here in LA, and it inspired me to redo this whole room. I also got this vintage little desk and this screen. So this room is gonna be a project. I think we could have a lot of fun with this nook. The lighting in here is stunning. If you wanna know what all this crud is, I have been going through all my beauty supplies and extra stuff, making really fun giveaways for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll be doing that over on my Instagram and TikTok. Alrighty, so now I will show you guys my room. So I completely redid this room during quarantine. It was completely different at this time last year, and actually up until like May or June of this year. I think I might have even done it in July. So it's like, yeah, this is super new. Yeah, I did this jute rug and layered it with this beautiful soft sheepskin. I got these vintage 70s lamps and this bed from Amazon, surprisingly. I'm happy to share all my links. I think I'll do like a final house vid when everything's actually pristine. Here's the Anthropologie mirror that used to be in the living room. If you followed me for a while, you've probably seen that there. I moved it to here and got a new one for the living room that was a bit more minimal. I got these vintage nightstands at one of my favorite vintage dealers here. Absolutely love them. I love when things are symmetrical. So again, sometimes I tie up these curtains, but I wanted to keep this room very peaceful, very neutral. I'm pretty happy with it. I love it. It feels like my space is just peaceful and serene. Have this beautiful linen bedding from Parachute in the blush, which I love. It feels like going to sleep in a beautiful, luxurious hotel every night. And then I got these pillows off Etsy. I can link them below. And then this is actually vintage. My grandma made this in the 80s. Here is my master bath. It is a disaster. My products are like everywhere. I did hang some eucalyptus in the shower, but this room needs a little bit of help. I could probably find a cuter mirror, a cuter light fixture, hang some art. We'll see. It's one of my favorite rooms because this is where I take a bath every night. Again, this room needs some love. It needs some art. It needs a towel rack. I did get this guy at Target just to hold my hand towels. I always have like bags of Lush stuff. The organization needs some work. My countertops are a mess, but these are the candles that I light every night if you ever watch my baths on Instagram, and we also need to organize this. Eek! I feel like this could also use a mirror light fixture upgrade. I also really need to clean my bathtub. I take baths every night and there's like remnants of bath bombs and stuff, but it's actually a tiny tub. I've showed you guys this in my original house video, which I'll link here, but it's like literally half a bathtub, but it's deep enough. I'm grateful to have a bathtub at all. Who cares? There's some stuff in my hallway that we need to deal with. I will show you guys what this is. It's really exciting, but here is my guest room. So this is one of my next projects. I think the kitchen, the office, and the guest room are gonna happen hopefully pretty soon, but I've kind of just put all the stuff that I don't know what to do with in here, including a bed for when my friends come over and stay. The bed is a Titan mattress. It's a really nice mattress, but I'd like to get a cuter bed frame. I just switched out my TV as I showed you, so this is that. And then I kind of use this as an area to stage packages and job stuff, so like clothes that I'm gonna shoot. So this room is really a mess, and this is my next project. Will you guys help me design this? Head over to Instagram. I'll be sharing on stories, and I'll probably be sharing like the before and after over here as well, but could really use some help for brainstorming fun ideas for this room. And last but not least, the closet. This is another room that needs some love. I actually put up a different light fixture in here as well, but part of it fell off. Anyway, so here is the room that I've made into my closet. It's got all my stuff. It is semi-organized and semi-not. I bought this vintage vanity from one of my favorite dealers, and that's what this mirror is for, the mirror that's out in the hallway. So that's gonna go here, but I don't wanna block the lights. So we're gonna have to reconfigure this room, and this is yet another project for us. I love these built-in IKEA closets though, because they light up when you open them, and it's just like such a moment, and it just makes me feel like I'm living in Cher's little clueless dream closet world, and I'm really happy with it. But I think I'm gonna have to take these 2 units down and find a new place to put my shoes so that this vanity can go on this wall with the mirror and we make a whole getting ready moment, because we do have these 2 units here. So I just think we need to figure out what we're doing with this room. Projects on projects, guys. We have so much to do. I'm gonna show you a place that I spend so much time every day that has been my crowning glory during quarantine. My backyard! It was so fun to put this project together. I sourced all of these old terracotta pots on Marketplace, sourced all these cactus trimmings from Marketplace and various nurseries, put this really beautiful CB2 sectional, my beloved Target egg chair, a rug, and a hammock. And I spend so much time out here every day. It's truly something that I love. This tree produces apricots and plums. That plumeria tree smells good. It's almost gone now, and then I pick lemons for my lemon water every morning from this splendid, beautiful tree. And it's just been such a blessing during quarantine to have all this. I put up these string lights. I love grilling, going in my little inflatable hot tub, and just spending time out here. I'm really grateful. I meditate and journal out here every morning, and sometimes I'll have little like picnics on the yard. So I'd say the back is pretty much done. Yeah, it's mostly the office room that we need to work on, the guest room, judge the bathrooms and the closet. It's only half the house, no big deal. But anyway, I thought I'd show you guys an in-progress tour. That's it for that, but today we're doing something really, really exciting. We are decorating for Christmas fully. We decided to fully lean into it. And even though this is the first Christmas we've spent alone and single, and it's been a really challenging year, I think that that's more of a reason to decorate and do this for ourselves. So follow along. We're gonna be setting up a very non-traditional, very AMM style Christmas decorations today. Got the Christmas tunes playing. I was doing my makeup and then I got these packages, and one of them says that it's perishable, open immediately. And I like to follow directions. Woo! I've never gotten a fresh fruit delivery, so this is cool. This is from the brand Coors, and I have no idea what's in here, but it's from Manhattan Fruitier. Oh, we love to unbox ribbons. Let's see, Greek yogurt Coors. So this must be a product. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Whoa, oh my God, what's this for? Oh my God, what? For smacking open the pomegranates? Oh my God, I've never gotten a fresh pomegranate in the mail. Lunch break. So we are doing something special here, but I'm not gonna show you because it's a surprise, so just pretend like I didn't show you. Woo! So we are gonna put all of this in this tree. We are just building them and they're so pretty. Are freaking out because we're doing the tree and we're so excited, and then Justin's on and it's instant Christmas. They're there in the sleigh and we're just so happy.
So happy.
Ah! I just could not resist sharing because I'm so happy. I'm spending the first night by the fire with my Christmas tree, and while the mantle and the hearth aren't quite done yet, I'm doing that tomorrow. I just wanted to share this little scene because I'm like in love and I'm so happy. It's been such a long journey, and to be here by myself after having 2 fellas living here with me in this short time I've lived here and all of the chaos, it feels really good to say that I built this myself and that I pay for it myself, and it's my vision and it's come to life, and now I just get to enjoy it. I think that's the part that we don't do enough, right? It's just the actual enjoying. Once we get there, it's always like, we gotta get there, we gotta get there. When you're there, when you get to the top, do you take a second to look around at the view? Or are you just like, there's another mountain, I gotta get to that one now? Just a thought. Oh, look how pretty. It's just so nice. I'm just here reading by the fire. I've got some water and I'm just don't know, thinking about wine or making tea or something, but for now, I'm just thoroughly enjoying my holiday pine scented candle here. And the fire. Ugh, it's so nice. And I'll pull around and show you how pretty it is. Over getting to the tree. I can't wait till the rest is done tomorrow. It's gonna be perfect.